Hey everyone, today we're making a card using a Colorado Craft Company stamp set with illustrations by Anita Jaram. This one is the Happy Day stamp set, and oh my gosh, they are so cute. I feel like I've been using their stamps a lot lately, but I just can't get over the illustrations by Anita Jaram. So I stamped the images in Simon Says Intense Black ink, which is Copic marker or alcohol marker safe. And then I'm coming in with my Copic markers, a mixture of those, and my Ohuhu markers that you can actually get off of Amazon for such a good price. So I'm coming in with some warm grays and a light brown for his nose, and then coming in with the darkest warm gray marker that I have for his body and in the shadows anyway. And then I'm kind of like flicking in a few little spots that make it more look like fur. He's just so cute. And then I'm going to come in with the flower and add some color into that and the little bee, and add a little shadow around the bear using a cool shadow marker by Copic. So while I am coloring, I'll let you guys enjoy. Thanks. So now I'm coming in with VersaFine ink and stamping the Sentiment Happy Day. Thought that was cute with the bear. And then I'm coming in with my Cool Shadow Copic marker and going around the bear and the flower and just kind of adding a little bit of touch of color for the background. And then I come in with my Jelly Roll .10 pen to add a little dot detail that's really cute, and then some Wink of Stella to the bee and the flower. Now I'm making my card base, and I put a piece of tape in the center. I learned that tip from Kathy Zielski, to put things on the front of your card so that it lays flat and makes it a little bit easier. Now I'm coming in with our second stamp set of the day that is called Pampering Pond, and it is also illustrated by Anita Jaram and sold by Colorado Craft Company. So I stamped my image a little bit off center and also my sentiment, enjoy your day. Then I'm coming in with my markers and just coloring in this image. I will play some music while you watch the coloring. And now I'm just going to take some tape runner and attach the top panel to my card. Now I'm just using some Wink of Stella to add a little shimmer and shine onto the images. And now I'm using my Jelly Roll white pen in a number 10 to add some cute little dot details to the frog and to the duck. And here are both cards that I made today. I hope that you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.